why your organization might want to consider using microlearning. Hey folks, it's Kirk Langford, General Manager at Unique Training and Development and Frontline Leadership Systems USA. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about our most recent blog post, which is all about microlearning and manufacturing. Conventional or traditional training programs tend to be like drinking from a fire hose. We take the manual and the courses and all the information and we try to sort of shove it down the learner's throat all in a very short time frame, usually kind of right when the person starts or is promoted into the role. And we know that the more we try to shove down, the less likely they are to remember, especially really important stuff that we might want them to remember. Microlearning breaks up those really big chunks of learning into much smaller, more digestible pieces, spread out usually over a longer time frame. So we learn more, we remember more, and we forget a lot less. Second thing is a lot of you are familiar with just-in-time training. When I first start in the position, I may not need to know how to manage conflict. In fact, I might not have to manage conflict on my team for the first 8 months that I'm managing them. Through microlearning, the day that I need a little bit of training or a refresher on, wait, there's a conflict on my team, I need a little bit of support in how to manage this, I can go ahead and take that maybe 15 or 20 or 30 minute micro-learning course that will refresh my memory and allow me to dive in and manage that conflict. Have you implemented micro-learning in your organization? If so, how did it go? Feel free to comment or feel free to send us a message. We'd love to hear about your experience with micro-learning. Thank you, folks.